Hello guys, what's going on? This is Technophile and today I have best budget productivity centric laptop, that is Lenovo IdeaPad 330. The platinum grey lid has a simplistic design with the Lenovo logo in the top left corner. It can tilt full 180 degrees and it has 15.6-inch HD LED backlight anti-glare TN display with the resolution of 1366 by 768. The Lenovo IdeaPad 330 weighs 2.2 kilos and it has a small and compact power adapter, making it the ideal traveler's companion. The 15-inch form factor makes the laptop easy and lightweight to carry. The Lenovo IdeaPad 330 has a chiclet style keyboard. The layout of the keyboard is for those that will spend a lot of time typing. The keyboard also has a dedicated number pad. Moving to the connectivity options on the left, the laptop has the power socket Ethernet port, HDMI out, 2 into USB 3.0 ports, headphones combo jack, USB 3.0 Type-C port and an SD card reader. On the right, the device has the Kensington lock. You do not have a physical left and right click as they are integrated into the trackpad to give it a seamless look. Speaking of the audio, the speakers are integrated on the front edge of the laptop. It has two speakers for stereo audio output. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet. It keeps the machine grip when kept on the table. It has 2-cell non-removable battery. The Lenovo claims the battery can last up to 5 hours. As I am a heavy user, I am getting 4 to 4.5 hours of battery backup on performance mode. Okay, it's time to boot the laptop. While it's booting up, let's go through the specifications. The laptop has Ryzen 5 quad-core CPU. Coupled with 8GB of RAM and 1TB hard drive, it has AMD Radeon Vega 8 integrated GPU, which is quite good. The specifications of laptop according to price is really impressive. I had great experience of multitasking on this laptop. Moving to the display, the quality and viewing angle of this laptop is pretty decent. Let me show you from all the angle. As I mentioned earlier, speakers are integrated at the front edge of laptop. Because of this, the audio output is below average. You have to purchase a portable speaker. Okay, let's play a song to check the audio quality. The touchpad has some cool gesture controls. You can use 3 finger down to minimize, 3 finger up to maximize, 3 finger right or left to switch between recent windows. Two finger down or up to scroll. Use pinch gesture to zoom in or zoom out, just like Android phones. As the laptop comes with DOS pre-installed, you have to install Windows on it. In my case, I had installed Windows 10 latest build. If you face any problem while installing Windows on this laptop, you can DM me on Insta. After installing Windows, you have to install few drivers. Check video description for more details about drivers and Windows version. I have run some popular benchmark softwares on this machine, so you can get overall idea about the performance by comparing the benchmark scores. Considering the specification, I had tested few productivity softwares on this laptop. Like Photoshop, Camtasia, it can run all these softwares without any hiccups. Let me give you a closer look so you can compare it with other laptops in this price segment. Moving to the gaming segment, as it has AMD Radeon Vega 8, it can run all basic games like Asphalt 8, Asphalt 9, Modern Combat 5, Modern Combat Versus. As I love video games, so I was excited to check how it handles the high-end graphic demanding games like GTA 5 Max Payne 3. And you know what, I am really surprised by the performance of AMD Radeon Vega 8. So let's see the results. I had tested GTA 5, Max Payne 3, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, NFS Payback, Rise of Tomb Raider, etc. And all these games are really playable. You can see the frame rates. For FPS counter, I am using MSI Afterburner. It has little bit thermal throttle, but you can ignore this as the laptop is not designed for gaming and has no dedicated graphic card. As I mentioned earlier, according to price, yes, this is a great deal. I had purchased this laptop from Flipkart for 28,990 in the sale, and it's totally worth the price. I still don't recommend this for gaming and video editing. For gaming and video editing, only purchase laptop with dedicated graphics card. If you are a normal user, then this is for you. For productivity, for portability with a good battery life. At the end, I just wanna say sorry for my broken English, and if you like this video, then please support grow this channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Enjoy the gameplay. At the end of this video, I have attached some screenshots. Just take a look to know the frame rates of the games I had tested.
was no surprise. It's hard to keep your eye on the ball through the bottom of a glass. I just hoped I could get to Fabiana and Giovanna in time. I knew if I didn't get to the girls soon, they'd be leaving this place with either a price on their heads or a tag on their toes. The doors had been chained shut. I didn't need my Portuguese for Beginners phrase book to work out what was going on. The guy making the noise was the boss. He was